Hello all, welcome back. Today we'll make double chocolate mousse. This is super simple to make and a real treat. As you can see, our mousse has white chocolate layer and a dark chocolate one. So let's start. Here I have taken 75 grams of white cooking chocolate and dark cooking chocolate. Cut them into smaller pieces. We will use double boiling method to melt the chocolate. For that, first let's boil water in a pan. Let's transfer the chocolate to a heat-resistant bowl. Give a stir in between and let it melt. Add in 3 teaspoons of double cream at room temperature to it. Give it a nice mix and keep it aside. Now let's do the same process for the black chocolate. I've taken 275 ml of chilled double cream into a bowl. Add in 6 teaspoons of sugar to it. You can vary the amount of sugar if you want to, but I find 6 teaspoons is okay for the quantity. Now beat until soft peaks are formed. It takes about 2 minutes. Now let's divide them into two halves. Add half part of this to our dark chocolate mixture and the remaining to our white chocolate mixture. Mix it till they are completely incorporated. Now do the same for the dark mixture. Fill them into 2 piping bags with any kind of nozzles you have. Keeping them on a cup like this will make the filling easier. Do not fill up the piping bag fully, it will make it difficult while piping. I'm serving them in short glasses with alternate layers of dark and white mousse. You can serve them in any way you like. Our double mousse is ready to be served. You can have them right away if you want to, but it tastes best if chilled for about 1 hour or so. Thank you for watching and see you soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.